If you're wanting to get into chair dancing, I have a super fun choreo for you to try at home. I'm going to go through it nice and slow for you. You can try this to any song. The song I intended it to be choreographed to is I Feel Like I'm Drowning by 2 Feet, but you could definitely put your own spin on it, try it to some different songs, and let me know how it goes in the comments. To start, sit on your chair facing forward with your feet crossed. It doesn't matter which foot is in front of the other, and your head is down. We skip that first beat, and then head comes up. Unwind the legs to open, and big head roll. Sweep your right leg to your left and close your knees. Right leg straightens as you sweep your right hand down your leg and back up with a big hair flip. Okay, from the beginning, we look up, uncross and open, head roll, close your legs, sweep it down, sweep it back up, slowly draw that hand up your leg. Next, straighten your left leg and lean back into your chair and open for a split. You can grab onto the chair with that left hand for balance and really lean back, back, back. An optional variation, if you don't want to do the split, is you can put your right hand on the back corner of the chair and arch. You can do it with bent legs or straighten one and just arch back. Either variation is totally fine. Next, sweep that right leg around, followed by your left. We cross and step onto that left and open. Right hand is on the seat of the chair and left hand is on the back of the chair. Then we bend left, right, left, and big sweep around. Okay, from the beginning, head up, open, around, sweep down, up, and this is slow, 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 open, open, open. Sweep that right leg around and pop up. We go left, right, left, and sweep. From that sweep, we're going to walk around the chair 1.5 times. Do whatever you want here with your hands. You can drag them up your body until we come to the left side of the chair. From here, we're just going to do a fun little shoulder shimmy and drop into those hips. So again, from our little split or lean back, we sweep those legs around, pop up, we go left, right, left, big sweep, and we walk. Make this your own. This is a really fun time to kind of play with your hands. You could play with your hair and big shoulder shimmy. Step out with your left and swing your hips from right to left. Then bring your left toe up to the chair. Now we're going to drag down slow, slow, slow with our left hand. Drag it back up. Now your hip is just going to pop up and back, and your hand is going to draw a circle around your cheek and then put those together. So we go down slow, 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 up, slow, 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 up and pop. Next, we're going to take our hands on the back of the chair. We're going to sit backwards and bring your legs up to the back of the chair and arch back, back, back. This move, I have a video on how to do it if you've never done it before. But if you have, we bow tie down, we roll, and we come up. An alternative option, if you've never done that move, is do a big head roll. Take your leg around the back of the chair, drop down to your left knee, and then slide down to that kneeling position. And that's the end of the choreo. So from the beginning, look up, open, around, slide, sweep down, and up, and open, sweep it around, pop up, then we go left, right, left, around. We walk around the chair. Again, add your own style, add your own flair, whatever you want to do with your hands. We're taking our time. We get to the left side of the chair, big shoulder roll, around and pop. Slide down and up. We go to the back, to our shoulders, bow tie down, and roll to that kneeled position. If you want to see the full choreo with the music, check out this video next. And like I said, try it to some different songs, play with the timing, try it faster, slower, and add your own flair to it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.